Good morning, class. Before we start, everyone, open your camera, please. Okay, ang gaganda at ang pupogi ng mga anak ko Okay, before we start, Mr. Alab. Diyan po si Mr. Alab. Okay, Mr. Alab, can you lead the prayer? Okay, kids, bow your heads and close your eyes and feel the presence of the Lord. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you, Mr. Alab. Okay. Mag-check naman si teacher ng attendance. Is anyone absent for today? Okay, no one is absent today. That's good to know that all of you are present. Because of that, I want you to give yourself a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. Ready na ba kayo sa ating lesson? Parang inaantok pa mga estudyante ko Okay, everyone, stand up, stand up. I want you to jump 10 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Nagising na ba? Nagising na ba? Okay, very good. Okay, before we proceed to our discussion, magre-review muna tayo sa ating previous discussion. Okay, what is our previous lesson last time? Yes, Miss Ramos? Addition. Wow, very good. Yes, our previous lesson last time is addition. Okay. So, si teacher ngayon ay magpa-flash ng card. Gusto ko sagutan nyo to ng isa-isa, okay? Okay, very good. So, class, the first number is, what number is it? Okay, number 10. Very good, Miss Excel. I want you to give Miss Excel a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. Okay, this second number, what number is it? Yes, Miss Ramos. Okay, it's number 23. Very good, Miss Ramos. I want you to give Miss Ramos a superwoman clap. 1, 2, 3, go. Superwoman. Okay, boys. Come on. Papatalo ba kayo? Okay, okay. Okay, this is the last question. If Ma'am Farah has 2 apples and 1 banana, how many fruits she has? Yes, Mr. Alab? Wow, 3 fruits. Very good. Very good, Mr. Alab. Since alam nyo na yung kung paano mag-add at magbilang ng 1-digit number, now kids, magkakaroon tayo ng isang simple activity. Okay? Now kids, this activity is a battle between boys and girls. So, kailangan galingan nyo Pagka-flash si teacher ng card and you will identify the number. Kung ano yung number na nasa card. Okay ba yung kids? Okay, very good. The cards contains addition problems and numbers. Okay, kids, get your chalk and board. Write the letter of the correct answer, kids. This activity is 5 items. Kung sino yung team na makakakuha ng maraming score, siya ang mananalo. Okay? The first question. 2 plus 1. Okay? Yes, girls? Okay, 3 girls got the correct answer. The second card is 5 plus 6. Yes, boys? Yes, 11 boys. Very good. Okay, boys got the correct answer. Very good, very good, very good. The third card is 7 plus 9. Yes, boys? 16. Wow, very good. Boys got the correct answer. Okay, the fourth card is 5 plus 6. Okay. Mukhang natatagalan. Okay, meron nang tumaas. Ano yun, girls? 11. Wow, very good. Girls got the correct answer. Okay, the points between girls or boys are equal Mukhang walang ayaw may magpatalo. Okay, kids. The last question. 9 plus 9. Wow, very good. Boys, ano ulit yung boys? 18. Wow, very good. Okay, ang nanalo ngayon ay ang mga boys. Better luck next time, girls, ha? Okay? So, ito na nga po. Let's proceed to our lesson. Our lesson for today is about addition again. But this time, mag-add tayo ng 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay. So, before we start our discussion, magtatanong muna si teacher ng ilang question. What occasion is nearly coming? What? Yes, Miss Farah? Yes, Christmas. Very good. Okay, the second question. Why do we celebrate Christmas? Yes? Miss Excel? Yes, very good. We celebrate Christmas because it was the birth of the Lord Jesus Christ. Very good, very good. Very good, kids. Give yourselves a 3 clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So, kids, may inahandang story si teacher. Are you ready to listen, kids? Okay, very good. This story is related to our question. The story is about Santa Claus. Okay, class. Now, class, I'm going to tell a story, but before we start, what are the standards to follow in listening a story? Yes? Okay, very good. First, be quiet. Second, listen carefully. And the lastly is, sit properly. So, ito na yung story, guys. Ito na yung story, kids. Santa Claus lives in a nice city called Santa Clausville. Every day he works hard in wrapping a gift for children. Santa Claus is very generous. He loves to share. He looks for good little children all over the land. He always sure to have him with a bundle of gifts and toys for good little girls and little boy. One day, when Santa Claus is flying with this stranger, along with the trip, he saw 2 cities. The city number 1 has 255 children, while the city number 2 has 250 children. So gusto ni Santang malaman kung ilang total lang children ang meron sa dalawang city. Kaya naman, doon na nagka-problema si Santa. Santa Claus was very happy to see the smile on the children's face. Okay. Now, class. Santa has a problem. He wants to find out the total amount of children in both cities. Do you want to help him? Louder, please. Okay, very good. Gusto niyong tulungan si Santa. Very good. Santa Claus wants to find out the total amount of kids in both cities. In city number 1 has 255 children, while in city number 2 has 250 children. How many gifts should Santa wrap for children in both cities? Okay. So kids, ano daw yung problema ni Santa? What is the problem of Santa? Yes? Yes, Miss Rika? Okay, very good. He wants to find out how many children in both cities. So, based on the problem, kids, what are the given? Yes? Walang gustong sumagot. Yes, Miss Hazel? Okay, 25 children in city number 1 and 250 children in city number 2. What do you think is the operation to be used in the given problem? Ano kaya sa tingin nyo? Okay, very good. Addition. How do we write the sign in addition? Patingin nga sa board, patingin. Okay, sino muna sasagot? Sino? Yes, very good, Mr. Alab. Okay, guys. Okay, kids. Too early to solve the problem, we need to follow the step in adding 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers. Ito na, dito na papasok yung lesson ni teacher. Ang pag-a-add ng tatlong number sa tatlong number. Ito yung mga step para i-add yung 3-digit number by 3-digit number. So, before tayo mag-proceed sa step, ano nga ulit yung addition? Ano ulit yung addition, kids? Okay, ito yung pag-add ng mga numbers. Very good. Okay. Step 1. Ano nga ba yung step 1 para may add yung 3-digit number? First, regroup the given number. Write the highest amount on the top and the lowest amount in the under highest number. Step 2, add the ones. If the answer exceeds to tens, you need to borrow the tens on the top of a second number. Then add the borrowed in a total number. Step 3, add the tens. Lastly, the step 4, add the hundreds. Again, kids, what are the given? What are the given? 55 and 50. 255 and 250. Okay. Now, we need to use this addition sign in order to answer the problem. Okay. Okay, kids, what is the first step again? This is the first step? Yes, Miss Nasrin, very good. First, group the given numbers and write the amount on the top and write the lowest amount on the highest number. First daw, pag magre-regroup tayo, yung pinakamataas na numbers ng amount ng number ay ilalagay natin sa itaas. Ang pinakamababa naman na amount ng number ay sa ibaba. At pagkatapat-tapatin natin yun siyempre. Yung 255, yung 2 tsaka 2 magkatapat, yung 5 tsaka 5 magkatapat, at yung 5 tsaka 0 magkatapat. Okay guys, what is the highest and the lowest amount? Okay, the highest is 255. Very good, Mr. Alab. So sa taas natin siya ilalagay. Yung lowest amount naman is 250. So sa baba ng 255 natin siya ilalagay. Very good. Perfect kayo ngayong araw sa akin, kids, ha? Okay, kids. Regroup na natin sila. Magkakatapat syempre. 255 plus, okay, nakasulat yung plus, yung sign ng addition, plus 250, then line. Okay, para i-add natin na maayos. Dapat magkakatapat silang maigi, ha? Okay, step 2, add the ones. Okay. What is the given number in ones? Okay, what is the given number in ones? Ano dyan yung ones sa 255 at 250? Yes? Yes, Miss Hazel? Okay, the 5 and 0, yung nasa pinakadulo. So, magkatapat sila. Ipag-add muna natin silang dalawa. 5 plus 0 equals to? Yes, Mr. Alab? Okay, very good. 5 is equal to 5. Okay, step 3. What is the step 3? Add the tens. Very good, Miss Excel, ha? Very good. Kanina pa nasagot si Miss Excel. Dapat ibang name naman dapat, guys. Okay. What is the number in tens? Yes? Miss Hilary? Okay. 5 and 5, sir. Very good. 5 plus 5. Yes, Mr. Damdam? Very good. 10. So, ayun na nga. Since nag-exceed yung total sa tens, anong gagawin? Yes, Miss Excel? Okay, ibabaro yung 1. Ay, yung tens pala. Pero ano yung tens dyan? Yung number 1. So, ibabaro natin siya, guys, ha? Lalagay natin siya sa pinakaitaas ng 5 and 5. At yung i-bring down natin yung 0. Okay, very good. Okay, kids, let's proceed to the step 4. For the last step is, anong gagawin, kids? Anong gagawin? Yung sinabi ni sir kanina, anong gagawin daw? Anong gagawin? Mukhang may nakalimutan na. Mukhang nakalimutan na. Anong gagawin, kids? Yes? Yes, Miss Lay. Oh, very good. Yung nakuha ni Miss Lay, mabilis kayo makakalimot, ha? Ang last step is add the hundreds. Ano yung hundreds dyan, guys? Ano yung hundreds dyan? Ano yung given dyan na hundreds? Yung 2 tsaka 2. Very good. Very good, very good. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Very good. Plus borrow 1 equals 5. Very good. Very good, kids. Okay, nasundan niyo ba? Naintindihan niyo ba yung dinidiscuss si sir? Okay? Okay now, kids. What? Okay now, kids. What is 255 plus 250? What is it? Okay, sabay-sabay kayo ha. 1, 2, 3, go! Very good! The total amount of children in both cities are 505. Okay. So, kailangan ni Santong gumawa ng 505 na gift and toys para sa dalawang cities. Very good! Very good, very good. Okay, kids. Magbibigay pa si sir ng isang example. I give you 5 minutes to answer this question. Okay. 300 plus 350. Okay, kids? First, anong gagawin? Regroup muna natin sila. Okay. Regroup. Okay, pagkatapos, add the ones. Okay, ano yung ones dyan, kids? 0. Very good. 0 plus 0? Equals 0, syempre. Okay. The third step, add the tens. Very good. 0 plus 5? 0 plus 5? Yes, Mr. Alab. Okay, number 5. Very good, Mr. Alab. And lastly, 3 plus 3? And the last step, ano nga yung last step? Add the hundreds. Very good. Ano yung dyan? Hundreds dyan, guys. Wow, yes, yung number 3, syempre. 3 plus 3? 6. Very good. So, 300 plus 350 is equal to, everyone, sabay-sabay. Very good, 650. Okay, very good. Now, kids, do you understand our lesson? Madali ba siya? Madali? May gusto bang magtanong, kids? May gusto bang magtanong, kids? Wala. Naiintindihan. Very good. Very good kayo, kids, ha? Mamaya may star kayo sa akin, ha? May stars kayo bibigay si teacher sa inyo pag nag-face-to-face na. Pag nakita ko kayo sa school, may stars kayo sa akin. So, class, if you really understand our lesson, let's have a sharing. Okay? It's okay? Is it okay? Okay. So, class, what have we learned today? Okay. Very good. Adding 3-digit number by 3-digit numbers. Very good. Okay, very good, class. I think you learned a lot. And all of you were good and observer. All of you are good observers and good listeners. Very good kayo, ha? Very good. Before we proceed to our next activity, let's sing and dance again. Stand up, stand up. Sayo mo tayo para mabuhay tayo ng dugo. Okay, very good. Okay, dance. Very good, very good. Go exercise. Okay, very good. Tapos na yung video natin, ha. Okay, take a seat, guys. Take a seat. Kids, take a seat. Okay, kalma na kayo. Mukhang napagod, ha. O, inom tubig. 30 minutes break. Ay, 30 seconds break. 30 seconds break. Okay, very good. Okay, inom muna kayo tubig. Inom muna. Okay. Okay. So, our next activity is about individual activity. Okay ba yun? Okay, class? I want you to solve this activity, okay? Write the correct answer and show your solution on the board. Okay ba yun? Okay, ito yung first question. 250 plus 250. Second question. 100 plus 100. The third question, 299 plus 299. Okay, class? I give you 25 minutes to answer that math problem. Okay ba yung kids? Okay? Okay, kids. Okay, answer the following question. Go. Come on, kids. Okay. Okay, kids. Time is up, kids. Okay. Who want to solve for number 1? Okay, thank you, Miss Pauline. Very good. Who wants to solve for number 2? Anong sagot sa number 1, Miss Pauline muna pala? Equals to 500. Very good. Who wants to, solve number 2? Yes, Mr. Alab. Kanina pa to si Mr. Alab, ha? Very good to sa mga boys. Ha? Kanina pa to. Very good, Mr. Alab. 100 plus 100, Mr. Alab. Equals to 200. Very good, Mr. Alab. Okay, for the last number, who wants to solve? Yes, Miss Excel. Okay, Miss Excel. 299 plus 299, Miss Excel. Come on. Medyo nahihirapan sa Miss Excel, ha. Come on, Miss Excel. Okay, very good, Miss Excel. It's 598. Very good, Miss Excel. Okay, ito naman yung task 2 natin, ha. Task 2. Okay, wait lang. Before we bago tayo mag-proceed sa task 2, who got the highest question? Who got the highest points? Okay. Who got number 3? You got 3 points. Raise your hands. Oh, very good. Halos lahat nakakuha ng naka-perfect. Okay. Who got 2 points? Raise your hands. Okay, very good. Konti lang naka 2 points, ha. Who got 1 point? Okay, walang naka 1 point. Very good. So, kalahati ng klase natin, ay lahat pala ng klase natin, lahat ng estudyante sa klase natin ay nakakaintindi talaga. Very good, ha. Very good. Okay. Our task 2 is girls versus boys. Okay, girls, bumawi kayo dito, ha. Dapat kayo naman yung manalo. Okay ba yan? Ganun ulit yung gagawin ni sir. Magpa-flash lang siya ng card and kailangan nyo itong answeran. Okay ba yan? Okay. Ito, paunahan ulit yung makasagot, ha. Kung sino yung pinakamaraming sagot. Kung sino unang makasagot, siya yung panalo. Kung sino yung pinakamaraming points, siya yung panalo. Okay ba yung kids? Okay ba yun? Very good, kids. Energetic kayo, ha. Very good. Okay. Okay, flashcard number 1. 300 plus 300. Okay. Okay, 300 plus 300. Nagko-compute pa sila? Yes, girls? Yes, very good, girls. It's about 600. Okay. Flashcard number 2. 150 plus 150. Magaling tayo dyan, boys. Okay. Yes, boys? 300. Very good. Napakagaling nyo talaga pag 150, ha. Okay, 1 point for boys and 1 point for girls. Okay. Okay, for the final question. Ding, 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 ding. 500 plus 500. Okay. Sino kayo mananalo? Mukhang mahirap-hirap to, ah. Okay, nagkakamit pa talaga sila. 500 plus 500. Go, guys. Go, kids. Okay, very good. Nauna yung girls. Ano yung girls? Ano sagot? 1,000. Very good. Nakabawi na yung girls, ha? Very good. Good job, kids. Good job. Mukhang nag-gets nyo talaga yung lesson ni teacher ngayong araw, ah. Dahil dyan, stand up. I want you to give salute, clap for everyone. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Salute. Very good. Okay. Let's proceed to our evaluation. Are you ready, kids? Ready na ba kayo? Solve the following question. Show your solution and send it to my Gmail. So, isend nyo na lang sa GC natin yung solution nyo, ha? Okay, ito yung first evaluation natin. Number 1, 380 plus 380. 120. Number 2, 120 plus 120. Number 3, 172 plus 123. Number 4, 100 plus 100. And number 5, 350 plus 350. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I give you 25 minutes to answer that quiz, ha. Lang, maka-perfect kayo dyan, ha. Okay? Okay. Are you done answering, guys? Oh, very good. Time is up. I-close na ni teacher yung link, ha? Now, let's check. Check na ni teacher. Okay. I-check na ni teacher. Okay, tapos na i-check ni teacher. Tignan nyo na yung score nyo, guys. Okay. Who among you got the perfect score? Sino yung naka-perfect score? Raise your hand, raise your hands. Come on, come on. My God, lahat kayo naka-perfect. Good job. Well done, students. So, mukhang naiintindihan nyo naman yung lesson ni teacher ngayong araw. Ang sunod naman natin ngayon ay ang ating assignment na, syempre. Ating homework. For your assignment, I want you to answer the following problem. Show your solution at the bottom of your sheets, of your worksheets. So, ito yung assignment natin. How many apples are there in all? There are 200 apples in one basket and 300 apples in the other. So we need to add 200 and 300 baskets to find out the total amount of apples. Okay ba yung kids? Sagutin nyo mabuti yung kids, ha? Pag nasagot nyo yan, merong papadala si teacher sa inyo na candy, syempre. Candy, pag nakita-kita tayo sa school. Okay ba yung kids? Kids. Any question, kids? Or clarification? May gusto ba magtanong, kids? About sa lesson natin ngayong araw? Okay, walang gusto magtanong. Very good. Mukhang naiintindihan nyo na lahat, ha? Is that clear, class? Okay? Okay, clear ba sa inyo yung lesson ni teacher? Okay. Before we end this, Abraham, kindly lead the prayer. Okay. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you. At maraming natutunan ng mga estudyante ko ngayong araw. Thank you, Papa Jesus. Amen. Amen. Now then, that's all for today, class. Thank you for listening and, syempre, competing and cooperating. Thank you for cooperation, guys. Thank you. Okay? Class, you may leave. Goodbye, class. Very good. See you next week, guys, ha? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.